Hi, this is SLK from the Unity community, and this is another progress update video for Advanced Inventory System version 3.3. I have finished with the Equipment System Editor, and I'm ready to do a playtest. So by pressing O, you can see that I have the equipment system set up and laid out the way I want. Inventory still remains the same. So I'm just going to walk over to this chest right here. It's running into a few glitches, but I'm pretty sure I fixed them all. So now when I click and drag the pants over here, you will see them now added to the player. And then selected them, moves them back to the inventory. And there's also a sword, and then if I click and drag the shield over the sword, you'll see that it swaps them out. And now if I open up item stats, you can see that his defense is now 15 because of the shield. And removing it sets it back to 5. Adding the pants will add an extra 5 to defense. And if I just close all these out, you can also see that the pants animate with the player, just like you saw in the preview and the example project web player that I made. The animations still work and function as planned. I made a change to the main database under the build settings for an item. You now have this little tick box here that says has 3D equipment model. This is the model that will be shown on the player and animates with him or does not animate if it's like a rigid object like a sword or things like that. So that's the change I've made to this. The other change I made is in the equipment editor window. I made this little selection box resizable, and the preview window adjusts accordingly. It also now shows the little icon for the item that you have selected to the left. Selecting them is still the same, repositioning them is still the same. There's also now a little delete button here which will clear the icon, the currently selected icon. The only features I have left to do is under build settings, and that's build 3D preview, and then it's just cleaning up code. And then the system is finished practically after that. I'm just going to go through and fix whatever bugs I can and get all that out of the way. So if you have any future requests or whatever, just leave them in the forum post and I will see what I can do. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.